Hello guys, welcome back to the AutoCAD class. I hope you guys practice again and again and you know how to make rectangle and circle in AutoCAD. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to make polyline and how to use trim command and extend command in AutoCAD. For that, first of all, we have to remove these objects which we have drawn previous class. We have to remove these objects first. For that, we have to select this all from your right side, right click mouse. Just click over here, and you can select these all items at one time. See, I have selected these all items in one time. There is one tool is there. This tool name is erase tool. Here you can see from your menu bar. Here in the menu ribbon, you can delete from this erase bar, or else you can type E. E is equal to erase. See, here you can see erase option came. So when you select this one, again I will click the escape button, and again one time I will show you how I selected. From your right click mouse, click only one time and drag the mouse until to the your object. So your object will be automatically selected by selection tool. Okay. Now when you type E is equal to erase. We know now E is equal to erase. From after that one, we can simply press the space bar, or we can simply press the enter button. So enter and space both are same in AutoCAD. Always remember, enter and space are both are same in AutoCAD. After this, we will press the space bar. So everything is gone. For example, if you want to retake it, if you want to take it back, you can do one more thing. What you can do, you can press in your keyboard Control Z. So when you press in your keyboard Control Z, the object which was deleted before, we can undo it. From here also, from here also, this is called quick access toolbar. From here also, you have the option to undo it from here also in quick access toolbar. See, when you click this one, see my objects are came back again. Okay. Now just delete this one. In this coordinate system, you can move it. You can click it and you can move it to the down. See, because this is going on the horizontal and vertical path, because we have activate the auto mode. For that, we have to switch off the auto mode. We have to drag and keep the coordinate system here. Now we will see how to use polyline. What is the difference between polyline and line? Okay. Now we will use the line command. Okay, type L is equal to line, enter. We know this. From here, this asking specify the first point. These things we already discussed in previous class. Okay. I will click the specify the first point here. Just I will draw one line. Okay. Just then I will press the escape button in my keyboard. Okay. See here, you can zoom in, zoom out from your scroll button. And if you press the scroll button and hold it and move your mouse, you can move the object. Whatever you draw in the drawing, you can move it. Okay. Now close this task pane. We don't want this task pane. We just close this task pane. So now we can see the property window. See, we have a property window here, right? This is called property window. If you don't have property window, you have an option to take it again. I will show you. I'll just close this property window now, and I will show you how to take it. Okay. For that, we have option. We have a shortcut. Press and hold the control and press the one button. So our property window will come automatically. Okay. Now we have the property window. The line command. For example, I will make a rectangle now. I will make a rectangle by switch on the auto mode, and I will make a rectangle by 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, and 5 meter. Okay. We'll use the polyline command. Polyline. You can see, you can select from here, or else you can type PL. PL is equal to polyline. Okay. I will click the enter button. I'll just hold the scroll button and drag it to left side. Okay. I'll click my start point here. I will type again 5, 5, 5. You will see, I'll select this object and this object. You see the difference, because we draw this one in polyline. Okay. I'll show you how to make text in AutoCAD. For that, we will use Mtext. this is what I'm using always. Okay, just type MT or only T, only type T. T also is equal to Mtext. For example, always remember when you need an object, when you need any tool, you can type in the command prompt, or you can type it here, or you can type it. You can bring your mouse here, and you can type it here. Okay. From here, I will type. For example, I will type now. I need text. I want to make a text here. For that, I will type empty. Empty is equal to empty. Okay. Now my Mtext is asking select the first column, specify the first column. From here, I will just click here and just drag it like this because I'm giving a path where to where I have to text. Okay, just click again one more time. Then my text window will come here. So I will type here uh, rectangle with rectangle using line. Okay, my text is now is ready. Just click escape button once. If you see the command again, just click the escape button once. Okay. Now, for example, if you want to move this object, if you want to move this rectangle object, just click this object and click M. M is equal to move. You see here, select this object, click M. M is equal to move, and M space bar. Then you can move anywhere here. Okay, I'll just move it here. Okay. Now I have to make copy. How to make copy? Copy, simply we know copy spellings. The first letter is C. Okay. For that, we will using C O. Why C O? Because if you type C, circle command will come. You can see circle command. So copy means C O. C O means copy. Okay. For that, we want to make it the same here. So what I will do, I will open my, this one is giving the option to pick a point. Pick a point from here to here. Here to here. For example, I'll show you. I'll just open the object snap settings. Okay. This is the object map. Okay. Just I will select this all. Select all. Always be click this option to be select all because all these points and the places, node, geometry, sentry, these all points we will use normally. We'll use in AutoCAD. For that, what we can do, just click OK. We select everything and we click OK. Then now I will show you when you click here. For example, when you click here, this edge. So I have already used the copy command. See, I use the copy command. I'm going to copy this text here. How it look like? It will be appear here. How I will copy? I'll just copy like this. No. Select this one and CO means copy. Then from here to this. So same place and same height it came. Okay, now this rectangle is created by line command, but this rectangle is created by polyline. Let's see spellings from here. Some you can if you click for example if you see the polyline is wrong, polyline, no, polyline. It's correct, but the grammar is not understanding. Anyhow, see you can check the words from here, like how you are working on MS Word. Here automatically skill. Okay, we already create a rectangle using polyline command. Okay, I'll just move this. You can move here and here. You can keep it anywhere. Just in the text. Okay, I'll just click this one. Just click move. I'll just now we will see what is the difference between line command and polyline command. For example, if I select this one, this object, see when you make this is a rectangle, right? So rectangle is in one object, but when you use line command, it's showing it's a different object. You can see here, this is the difference between polyline and line command. See, when I click here, this rectangle will select all because I created this rectangle using polyline. See the difference. If I click this one, see full object. This will be selected by full. So this is the difference between using a line command and the polyline command. Very simple. AutoCAD is very simple. When you love to learn, AutoCAD is very simple. Okay. Now, when we click here, we can remove this object. See, we can remove, we can trim. For example, okay, we have one more command. Which is called trim. TR. TR is equal to trim. What is called trim? Trim means we can trim it this area. We can trim it this area, or this area, this line, or this line, or this line. We can trim it anywhere. For example, I will show you now. For using a trim command, just type tr. Tr is equal to trim. Okay. For example, if you want to trim this side, and for example this line, this side line and this side line of the rectangle. For example, if I use the trim command on the line command, I cannot trim it. Why? Because this is already a single object. But here you can see it's a one object. When you make a rectangle by using polyline, it will be a one object. In line command, it will be separate object. So for that, I will show you now. You type trim and simply press the space bar. And when you try to trim this area, it's not trimming. And we have to type it again in the space bar. So the tool is now activated, because when you type tr and space, it's asking to select the object which is not required to remove. So we can select the object and we can trim it the other object which is we want to remove. We want to trim. Okay. This one we will talk about later. Now we will see why we can trim this object. So see, for example, if you move your mouse here, press telling select object to trim or shift to extend, or it means you have two options. You can trim it, you can use the trim command by you can trim it, or you can extend the line. Example, you can extend this line to until here. It can be possible. We are looking for, we have to trim this line, but it's not giving us to trim it. Why? Because this is in the line command. For that, if we use polyline, if we want to trim this sector, see, it's showing to remove. It's asking to remove. We can remove this line. We can remove this line. We can remove this line because this is a one object. This is a separate object. For example, if you want to remove this one, you can remove by erase command. Simply you can remove by erase command. But here, when you use erase command, the full object will erase. Now we will see how to trim the object. For example, I will trim this place, and I will trim this place. See, when from your right side, right click from your mouse, right click, you can trim these objects. Okay. Now I will press the escape button. Now I will show you. See, I can use erase command, and then I can erase this object. Now we are in here, right? We are in here. Okay. Now what we have to do, we will use extend command. So this line is created by line command. From your property window, you can see what kind of object is this. Is a line, is an arc, is a circle, you can see anything. You can see an arc, you can see anything here. Whenever selecting the object, it will show here. Okay, this line is created by polyline. Okay, this line is created by line command. Okay. Now we will see how to use extend command. We already see how to use the trim command. Okay. Now we will see how to use the extend command. For example, I will make one polyline. I will use it from here, and I will stop. I will click on move. I will stop somewhere here. Now I want to extend this one. How I will extend? We have two options to extend. One is you can select this object, and you can drag from here and move to until here. This is one option. Now we want to extend. How we will extend? We have two options to extend, which is you can use the trim command. You can use it. This is a new technique. You can use the trim command. You can simply press the shift command. You have to always remember when you use the trim command or extend command, you have to press two times. This press bar. If you press one time, the tool will not activate because this trim command have the functions, features. There are different features in trim command and extend command. For that, now we want to use the standard trim command. So that we have to press the space bar. I came here to show you how to extend using the trim command. For example, you use shift, press the shift button and hold it, and move your cursor here. You can press the shift button. We are in the trim command. Okay, we are already in the trim command. When you want to extend this one using the trim command, you can press the shift button and hold it. Hold the shift button and move your cursor here. Move the cursor to the object. So when you move the cursor to the object, see it's asking to extend. Okay. Just press the right click button. We have extend the line using the trim command. Now we will escape this option. Again we will undo it. Control it, we will undo it. We have extend command. Extend means extend is ex is equal to extend. Always remember, we will use now extend command. Extend command means we can extend this line using extend command. Where we have two command which is making same thing. I will tell you because when we are working on big project, when we are using the trim command, we don't have time to use the extend command to extend the any line, which one is mistakenly deleted. For that, the Autodesk has provided us in the trim command. When you press the shift button, automatically the line will be extended until where you want. Just we will use the extend command now. This for using the extend command. The command is ex. When you type ex in your keyboard, extend command will come here. Then simply press the space bar or enter, or you can click it here. Now just activate the for the activation tool. You can simply click the left click, or else you can click the space bar. So now our tool is activated. Now when you move your mouse here, see now the same command is working. Great. Now we know how to trim, how to erase, how to what is the polyline, what is called polyline, what is called line. Now we have done our lecture. This is enough for today. Just keep practice. I hope you guys are practicing again and again. We will see in our next classes some important AutoCAD tools and settings and some more tips. Make sure to draw lines, polylines, circles, arcs, whatever I didn't teach you. Just click it over here. You have some tools. You have some rectangle, polygon. You have so many tools there. You can use these tools. You can hatch it inside this rectangle. You can hatch it. You can use the hatch command. You can choose the boundary. You can choose the gradient color. You can put it whatever. Just practice by yourself, and we will see in our next class. Thank you so much.